The Audi A6 is currently our favorite mid-size luxury sedan. It's really good. That's particularly true of the brilliantly balanced 3.0T and the sportified S6 variant. But what about the price-leading A6 2.0T model? It's the A6 that gives Audi dealers a banner-ad model to lure customers into dealerships with an attractive, sub-$50K price or an attractive monthly lease. Is it an unlovable bait-and-switch car, the type that each dealer stocks only one of on the lot? We strapped our equipment to one to find out. Admittedly, our Abyss white test car with nougat brown leather was hardly bare bones, thanks to the inclusion of the Premium Plus package that adds $3,700 to the 2.0T Quattro's $49,325 base price. That well-spent extra coin brings the A6 up to proper luxury car snuff, adding navigation, the MMI infotainment system's clever touchpad input, parking assistance with a rear camera, a power-adjustable steering column, USB ports, auto-dimming heated exterior mirrors, a 6-month subscription to Audi Connect services, and blind spot monitors. A $900 warm weather package and an $800 set of sweet 19-inch wheels with all-season rubber hike the final tally to $54,725. We could imagine the A6 being just as nice without the fancy wheels and the warm weather pack's sunshades and 4-zone automatic climate control, but the Premium Plus package seems more or less necessary, so consider $53,025 as the true price of entry, which is still notably less than the $58,325 starting point of the 3.0T model. The A6 has won no fewer than 4 comparison tests since 2009 and has scored a place on our 10 best cars list multiple times. Given the A6's overall excellence in the fields of technology and luxury, the lackluster performance and unsexy engine note of this 2.0T Quattro won't do much to dampen our enjoyment of the model.